So the sub number 5 says Priya gets a salary of rupees 15,000 per month and a commission at the rate of 8% on the sales over 50,000 rupees. So it means that when we say told sales over 50,000, up till 50,000, there is no commission that is given. If she gets 17,400 in a certain month, her sales made by her in the month are to be found out. Once again, let us take a small number line like we did in the previous sums. We assume that 0 is the minimum sales. Because we don't know the total sales, we assume that it is rupees X. He says that the salary is 15,000 and her income is 17,400. So it means that definitely the sales have been made which is above 50,000. So I can assume that 50,000 is somewhere in between 0 and X. According to the question, from 0 to 50,000 rupees, there is no commission. On the sales above 50,000, till whatever is the total sales, which is X over here, she gets commission. And what is the commission that she gets? She gets commission at the rate of 8%. So I need to know what is this amount. She gets commission at the rate of 8% over 50,000 up till X. So this amount has to be X minus 50,000. So I have to calculate 8% of X minus 50,000 and equate it to the commission value so that I would be able to get the value of X. So now let us understand how we represent this in our answer. We have to say over here, salary is equal to rupees 15,000 and income of that particular salesman is rupees 17,400. So in such a case, I can say that a very important formula which I had given in the beginning, income is equal to salary plus commission. So according to that, I can say 17,400 is equal to 15,000 plus commission. So when I subtract this 15,000 on the opposite side, I will get commission is equal to rupees 2,400. So this is the commission that she has got above 50,000 rupees at the rate of 8%. So now let us consider over here, let total sales is rupees X. Since commission is paid above sale of rupees 50,000, therefore sale value is equal to rupees X minus 50,000. Commission rate is equal to 8% and therefore commission amount is equal to 8% of x minus 50,000. So I can say that therefore 2400 is equal to 8 upon 100 multiplied by x minus 50,000. We cross multiply this on the opposite side. 2400 multiplied by 100 divided by 8 is equal to x minus 50,000. 8 into 1 and 8 into 3 is 24 and the two zeros. So 300 into 100, that will become equal to 30,000 plus 50,000 is equal to x. Therefore, total sales is equal to x is equal to rupees 80,000.